What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I'm John with Wipeout P.D.R. Figured I'd take you on a location today. So we're here in Lansdale, Pennsylvania. Got a customer here. It's a 2017 Honda Pilot. Supposedly, I'll take you through it here. A little kid ran into the side of it and pushed the whole side in, actually. He took it to a body shop and they pulled it out somewhat, but I don't know if you can see. He still has a low spot in here, and then up by the handle there's two high spots there. So we'll see what we can do working out that low spot and then tapping down those high spots and make this car look good for him. So let's get going. Alright, so we're just about finishing up, just going in there with a metal tip now, just fine tuning like we always do, just clean it all up, bring that orange peel back the way it was, and we'll wrap it up and I'll show you the final results. We'll keep this video short. All my other ones were a little longer, so we're going to do this one nice and short, and you can see the results in a minute. Alright, here's the final result. You can see all those high spots that were up here. They're all gone. Tap them down nicely, and then that big crease that was low there, that came out really nice. No problem. So hopefully the customer should be really happy with this one.